Hello everyone, welcome back to Coding Everyday. So in the last video we were discussing about the flex and view. So if you haven't watched that or if you don't know about it, then you can check out the previous video. And in this video we are going to build a simple UI, right? And we will be using text, view and flex here, and we will create a products page of so the page we will not create for this video, but in upcoming videos we are going to create it. We'll just create a component and we will discuss about few of the React components as well. To begin with, let's delete these, okay, and I'll delete these as well. Control S, and I'll delete this button as well, right? Okay, so there is an import, that's why I have this error is gone. So let's create a folder structure. For now I'll have a component folder and I'll have a screen folder, screens, okay, and within the screen I'll create a products screen, right? And here I'll create a new file that will say products screen.jsx, right? So in this screen I'll just simply write RNFE, that is React Native functional export component. So if you want to know how I get it, so you can go here and search for React Native in the extension market, and you can install this ES7 React Redux React Native snippets, right? Alright, so I have this component in place. Now I'm going to export it in here. So I'll just write product screen, so it will automatically import it here, and let's provide it a closing tag, save it, and yes, we will provide flex to our container. So container and container will have flex is equal to 1. Alright, the first thing that I want to discuss is that whenever we are starting with any screen, right, you see this product screen that I provided here. So I'll write it down few more times. So the product screen, it's going above, right, in the notch section where we have the camera and the status bar, right? So in order to bring it down, we have something called as SafeAreaView, okay? So we can import SafeAreaView, right? But the problem with SafeAreaView is it is not available to Android. It's only with the iOS. Okay, so what generally people do is they write style is equal to styles dot save area. Okay, and I'll create this here safe area. I'll provide it a flex 1. Okay, and I'll check if it's Android, then I'll provide some margin above. Okay, so I'll add margin top. Now React Native provides us with an API known as platform. Okay, platform. So let's print that. What is the platform? Console.log platform. Okay, so I have error here. For the moment I'll just comment it here. Let's go to our debugger. Where is that? And you see we have OS is Android, right? So we have different details here as well. So currently we are not looking for it. we just want platform.os. So we can write, I will bring this here as well, margin top if platform.os equal to Android. Okay, then I want it to be, let's say, 20, else I want it to be 0. So for iOS, margin should be 0. Okay, now what is the error here is I need a comma. It's somewhere down. Let's make it 50. Yeah, that seems to be a good thing. Okay, but currently if you see this status bar here, right, it's white. So usually if you see in your app, it's generally not white, right? So we have something here. So for that also React provides us with a component called StatusBar. Okay, so we can write StatusBar. Remember to import it from React Native. Okay, and for StatusBar we will give a background color. Let's say, what do we do? What should we provide it? Orange. Yeah, so this is our status bar. Now see about it. Once I have provided my status bar, the product screen is below this status bar, like there is a margin between it. So what I can do is I can just remove it for now. Now it looks good, right? So I have my status bar and I have my product screen. There is something here, I don't know what it is. Okay, so if we go back to documentation, so in documentation you can go back here and you can go to status bar, or you can type it. You see this document specifies the status bar and all the APIs with it. It has an animated API. Okay, then it has background color, it has a bar style. Okay, then it has a hidden option, network activity indicator visible. So it has different this APIs and attributes that you can provide, right? So we will not explore it much, right, currently. So for now we just need a status bar here, okay, for yellow color or orange. I have entered it orange, but it seems to be a yellow color. Okay, so for now we have seen about two components, SafeAreaView and StatusBar, right? Now the next component that we will be talking about is the text component, right? So let me just quickly search for it in the document. I have text. Yes. Okay, so any text that I want to be displayed in my UI, I should provide it within this text component. Okay, it's simple, just within text you need to provide your text, right? You can provide nested text as well. Okay, you have text container as well. So you can go through the document for more details, right? So these are the props that can be provided to text. These are all accessibility related. Okay, and so similarly we have a lots of text props available. Like we have the ID and minimum font scale, native ID, number of lines. We have a lot here. Okay, so you can go through this documentation. Okay, so to create our products page, right, for now I am not going to call an API or something else. I'll just I'll create a, let's say I'll create a dummy data, right? So I'll create a file data dot let's remove this as well for now. I'll just copy a data that I already have. Okay, so we will be using this data to show an image on the left side and the text on the right side, and maybe we will have a button on clicking on which will take us to a different page. So this was a short video about the safe area context and safe area view and the status bar, and it's beginning of our screen and our e-commerce app. So make sure to subscribe to this channel, press the bell icon, share it with your friends. I'll see you in the next one, and where we will create this component for the product, right? So till then, take care, goodbye, keep learning, keep coding every day. Bye bye.